This question will test you if your mathematical foundation is strong as touching logarithm. Here we are asked to simplify log 100 multiplied by root 10 multiplied by the fifth root of 10 base 10. Okay, do not forget that root 10 is equals to 10 raised to the power of 1 over 2, and the fifth root of 10 is equals to 10 raised to the power of 1 over 5. Are you following? Okay, so therefore I'm going to replace root 10 as 10 raised to the power of 2, and also the fifth root of 10 as 10 raised to the power of 1 over 5. So the logarithm becomes log 100 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 1 over 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 1 over 5. Okay, and the base is 10. Also, do not forget that 100 can be written as 10 raised to the power of 2. Are you getting it? So I'm going to have log. Now, instead of 100, I'm going to replace it as 10 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 1 over 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 1 over 5. Put the bracket and also put the base. Are you getting it? Also, do not forget the law. If you have a raised to the power of b multiplied by a raised to the power of c multiplied by a raised to the power of d, this can be written as a raised to the power of b plus c plus d. Are you following? So that means if I have 10 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 1 over 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 1 over 5, this can be written as 10 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 5, right? So if you sum the power together, you're going to have 27 all over 10. Do you understand? Okay, so now I'm going to replace all this by 10 raised to the power of 27 over 10. So the logarithm becomes log. Now, instead of this, I'm going to have 10 raised to the power of 27 all over 10. So 10, and the power is 27 all over 10, okay? And the base also is 10. Now listen, there is this laws of logarithm. If you have log a raised to the power of b bc, this can be written as b log a bc. Are you following? So I'm going to multiply this power by the logarithm. This law is called the log of a power. When you have a logarithm raised to a power, the result will be the product of that power and the logarithm. Are you getting it? So here I'm going to have 27 all over 10 multiplied by log 10 base 10, right? Now the log of a number to the same base is what? 1, right? So log 10 base 10 is 1. So the result will be 27 over 10 multiplied by 1. This will be 27 all over 10. Do you understand? So that is the solution to the logarithmic question that we have on the board. If you want to learn more on logarithm, you can proceed to our YouTube channel. Search for Beloved Academy on YouTube. You're going to see the series of classes that we've done as touching this topic, logarithm. All you have to do is just click on the playlist and start watching, okay? So that will be all for this class. If you have any question as touching this solution, let me know in the comment section. Also, see you in the next class.